Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting.
Alright, so check it out. Do you need a new set of tires? Well, stay tuned. We got something for you. But in the meantime, check it out. We are taking my daughter out for donuts. Are you ready for this? We're gonna do some donuts. Alright, so check this out, folks. So, as you can see, we came down here to Little Mexico. Well, Mexico, because we're doing donuts. I'm not gonna deny that, but we are in Mexico. But here's the deal, okay? As you know, if you've seen in my last video, we purchased a fresh set of rear tires, okay? So, I get a text from my buddy. Now, my buddy Steve, he owns the Provo Big O tires. So if you're here in Utah, Provo Big O tires. Also, I believe they own the Pleasant Grove Big O tires. But Mr. Steve, he offered a new set of tires. So he said, yo, go do some burnouts, go tear up those tires, and don't worry about it. I got you. So I'm not one to say no to that, right? So here we are. Oh, look at that, that's actually pretty cool. I parked in the cool spot. I didn't even do that on purpose. But we, in the next little while, might be leaving a few of these places. But here's the real reason why you should have stuck around, and this is the big news and the announcement that I've got, is next Friday. Now, mark this on your calendar, October 14th. We are going to be down at the Provo Big O tires, and we, along with Steve, are going, well, mainly Steve, I guess. I mean, I don't even know if he's wanting me to do anything, but Steve, we are going to give away a set of tires. That's right, a full set of tires. So, Friday, October 14th, we will be at the Provo Big O tires at roughly, I don't know, let's say 11 o'clock to maybe 12:30. So roughly about an hour and a half timeline. Now, if you come into Provo Big O tires and buy a set of tires, you might be lucky enough that we comp or give those tires to you for free. Who doesn't love free stuff? I do. That's why my friends nicknamed me Kurt Free Shit, my last name. So, anyways, I'm gonna leave you with this. We're just gonna have you just take a look at this. Oh, that is a beautiful car. Beautiful car. Damn. That's really good looking. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna tear up some tires. Hopefully my rear end doesn't fall apart before my tires, but thanks to Steve, we'll get some new ones, and you will get some new ones Friday, October 14th. Be there, come on in, buy a set of tires, and we may choose you to get them for free. There's a good chance anyone in that store in that time frame, someone's walking away with a free set of tires. So peace out, go like, go subscribe, share this video.
Almost suffocate you.
I've Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to